Last time we learned you were made for a reason. But how do you actually find it? Most people try to invent their purpose. But Jeremiah 29:11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you." Notice, God has the plans. You don't manufacture purpose, you receive it. But here's the key. God reveals plans in relationship, not just assignments. You can't skip the connection and jump to the mission. Think of Moses. He's famous for his mission, leaving Israel. But it started at a burning bush where God first said, "I am the God of your father." Moses asked, "Who am I?" God didn't give him a resume. He gave him a promise. "I will be with you." Purpose flows out of intimacy, not guesswork. If you want to know the plan, you have to know the planner. Stop striving and start seeking. Relationship comes before mission. See you in the next one.